Hello, everyone. It is the weekend, and it is going to be Easter. It's going to be Easter, and I've got a very full week this week. I've got a lot of things I've got to get done, but I went ahead and I ordered groceries. This is everything we're going to need, even including Easter Sunday. Let me see if I can pan out a little bit here. Yeah, I can. I kind of piled it all here, so I may have to show you what's front and then pause and put it away and then show you what's after that because there's so much here. Again, Walmart Plus never fails me, and my delivery time was between 3 and 5. It is now, can you see what time it is there? And yes, so I just got everything all brought in and put here. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I'm going to be cooking as I share with you guys. So you know, we have got some crushed pineapple. This is going to be for my spring cake. I make this every Easter. It's one of my favorites. Basically, it's layered yellow cake mix, crushed pineapple, vanilla pudding, whipped topping, and coconut. Delicious. You make it the day before, let it sit in the refrigerator. All those flavors marry each other, and it's delicious. So pineapple. We're going to have ham, so I got the sliced pineapple as well for garnish on the top. I love me some pineapple and ham. Oh, it is so good. Going to make some pasta salad. So I bought some sliced black olives, and I think I'm holding it upside down. Anyways, here we go. I got 2 of those. And so we're going to do that. Pasta salad again. Going to use the bow tie pasta. I think it's the prettiest when you make pasta salad. Let's see here. Going to make my hash brown casserole. So I needed a can of cream of chicken soup. So I got that. Let's see. I'm going to need some breakfast items this week because I've got some early morning things going on, and we're going to have to get up and be ready to go out the door. So I bought enough stuff to make ahead some breakfasts for on the go. So I bought some of these biscuits, really inexpensive and tasty. So I got 2 of those. This is for the pasta salad as well, the Italian zesty salad dressing. I bought 2. I may not need 2, so if I don't open one, I'll have it for another time. And I'm obviously going to be using it because spring is here, I think. I'm very confused about the weather these days, but it is spring. I am going to be making a lot of colder salads and stuff like that, so having that on hand is okay. I just bought the original sausage. This is their Great Value brand. I bought 2 of those just to kind of save a little bit of money. Trying to pinch my pennies, y'all, just like everybody else. Some singles, cheese, as well as some Black Forest ham. I got 2 of these. This is so delicious that, oh my goodness, we love a good sandwich, especially like a grilled cheese, and that's how I fix this with this and one of these and butter both sides. Delicious. I also got my vanilla pudding. Let me put these few things up and I'll show you the next one. Okay, I am back. So I got a gallon of milk. Not a gallon, a half a gallon. That's a given. I'm not out of milk, but I want to make sure that I have enough. I got 3 things of Imperial margarine, as well as a thing of Country Crock Original. I am so sick of running out of butter. We use so much butter in this house. I'm serious that they should give us an endorsement, honestly. So I got some sour cream. This is also going to go into the hash brown casserole. The butter is the spreadable butters for the grilled sandwiches. This is because I want to make some peanut butter Easter eggs. It is the plan. And all plans are go until something happens, which I'm hoping nothing does. This is for my spring cake. I'm going to tell you a little secret. If you want the most divine tasting, don't skimp on buying the real Jell-O pudding. Yellow cake mix. And I went ahead and I bought these here for breakfast option. The little, I call them little hash brown patties. Delicious. We love those. 2 things of eggs. It is Easter. I am going to be making some deviled eggs. There is my ham I bought. This is the brown sugar ham. Buy that every year. Love it. Bought some hamburger buns. I have burger patties in the freezer, so we will have burgers one day this week. My husband wanted baked beans again with the ham. I'm going to tell you, I'm making green beans and baked beans because I am so tired of baked beans. But my husband could eat baked beans, I think, for every meal. I really do. So I'm going to put this away, and I'll be right back. So the next thing that I got is 2 loaves of bread, 1 green pepper, the tub of a Cool Whip. This is just a regular Cool Whip. The giant bag of tater tots, hash browns, spicy chicken patties. These are delicious. And let me tell you that I had an extra couple patties, and I baked them in the oven, and I cut them up and put them on top of my salad. Can I tell you, it was fantastic. And these are so delicious. I love these. Highly recommend. Don't go buy them all where I can't get them anymore, but it is really, really good. Some broccoli florets. I got 2 of those. 1 thing of powdered sugar just to make sure I had enough. A thing of potato chips to go with burgers or with sandwiches because I have a very busy week. And I got one more thing to show you. We're in my freezer, and the last thing I have to show you is the cookies and cream ice cream, and I'm going to put up the groceries. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get all this stuff together and put away because I need to cook some dinner, and I'm spring cleaning today, so you'll be seeing some spring cleaning hopefully tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I will be seeing you all again soon. Bye, guys. I got bananas. I got 5 bananas, 1 for every day this week. So, yes, I got bananas. See you later, guys.